transformations. So this is when you perform both a translation and a reflection, or two translations. Okay, so this first one, we're asked to translate the figure down 3 units and then reflect it over the y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to do blue for the first movement, translating it down 3 units. Okay, so J comes down 3 to right here. K comes down 3 to there. And L comes down 3 to here. Okay, so that's step 1. Okay, now you have to reflect it over the y-axis. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the steps of the points as well that you can follow along with. So my original J, K, and L, J was -5, 3. K was -4, 3. And L was -4, 1. So when I moved that down 3 units, I only changed the y values, okay? So I translated it by like 0, 3. So my new values when I translated it, J became -5, 0. K became -4, 0. And L became -4, -2. Okay, now I have to reflect over the y-axis. So I'm going over the y, so y stays the same. So my final image, okay, my x value changes to +5, y stays the same. X value changes to +4, y stays the same. X value changes to +4, and the y stays the same at -2. So now I can graph that. So here's 5, 0, that's J. 4, 0 is K. And +4, -2, there's L. Okay, so that would be the final answer, would be the one in red there. Okay, after your second transformation. So on the SOL test or on an assignment, you're not going to see that first step in there where they did that first transformation. They're just looking for the final result. So be very, very careful when you do those. Okay, so this one is a reflection first. So reflect a figure across the x-axis and then left 4 units. Okay, so let's get our original values, original repairs for A, B, C, and D. So A is 3, 4. B is 3, 5. C is 2, 5. And D is 2, 4. Okay, so first step's in blue. That's the reflection across the x-axis. So because across the x stays the same. Okay, so I'm going to go 3, and then y becomes -4. 3, 5 becomes -5. C2, 5 becomes -5. And D2, 4 becomes -4. Okay, so we're going to go right 3, down 4 for A. Right 3, down 5 for B. Right 2, down 5 for C. And right 2, down 4 for D. Okay, so this is after the reflection. Okay, now I have to go left 4 units. Okay, so I can just count left 4 units. So for D, 1, 2, 3, 4. For C, 1, 2, 3, 4. For A, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you may also be asked to do 2 translations. So move it right 2 and down 4, or something of that nature. If you have any questions, please let me know.